Hey, this is Jamil, Mr. Cabinet Care, California's only 15-time winner Kitchen Remodeling Company of the Year. We've been in the business for over 34 years and have 23,000 satisfied customers. In this next video series, we're going to be talking about some of the repair videos for your kitchen cabinets, countertops, and more. And guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about the 4 steps to remove your kitchen cabinet drawers. Alright guys, so to remove your kitchen drawer, there's a simple 4 steps. So step number 1 is going to be to remove all the contents from the drawer. Let's go ahead and do that. Take all this, put it on our countertop right over here. Alright, now that we've done that, step number 2 is to pull the drawer out so that it extends fully. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this drawer, pull it all the way out to its max. So for step number 3, what you're going to go ahead and do is very simply take these orange tips that you see right here, and you're going to push just like that to the side, and you're going to see them release on that. Over here, you do the same thing, pull like that, and now the drawer should just slide right out. So after you guys remove those orange tabs, the drawer just comes right out. If you have any cool ideas on what future videos you want to see on our channel, please drop us a line in the comment box below, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series.